Hello, this is a video to explain to you a methodical process that can be applied to any factorable trinomial. In a previous video, I talked about factoring by using the trial and error or guess and check method. In this video, I'm going to show you a systematic methodical process. Step one is to multiply the first and last term of the trinomial. So in this case, that would be our 5x squared times our 48. When you multiply that 5x squared times that 48, you get 240x squared. Now, in step two, we're going to create all possible factors, each written with an x from the product calculated in step one. So I'm going to take my 240x squared and I'm going to think, what are factors that would create 240x squared where each of its factors has an x in it? And in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 possible pairs of factors that will make 240x squared. I'm going to analyze those pairs, and for step three, I'm going to find the pair that when you add them together, you will find the middle term of the trinomial you're trying to factor. We were trying to factor 5x squared plus 46x plus 48. Did you find the pair? The pair was the 40x times the 6. So in step four, I'm going to take the pair from step three and write the trinomial as an expression with four terms. So 5x squared plus 46x plus 48 is going to be written as an expression with four terms. So I'm going to put in the 6x and the 40x, that was my factors that made 240x, into the expression. Once I have that expression where I've taken the trinomial and written it with four terms, now I'm going to use what's called factor by grouping. I'm going to try to group the variables in a way that I'll be able to find a greatest common factor within the variables, the terms that are grouped. So in this case, in red, I grouped the 5x squared plus the 6x. The greatest common factor would be the x, so I factor that out, and that's how I get my expression in red. Then I look at the two terms that I grouped with the green parentheses. Their GCF is 8x. When I factor that 8x out, notice, which I have underlined in purple, that I have two factors in that expression that is written as 5x plus 6. That would be the common factor to the two terms. My expression is separated with a plus sign. This plus sign right here separates the two larger terms in this expression. So now what I can do is I can factor out that 5x plus 6, and that'll leave my x plus 8, which is the solution. Once again, if you feel that you need practice with factoring, practice with grouping, when there's four terms in the expression, perhaps you need practice with factors of constants, please see your teacher. Factoring is a very important skill that's a tool important in algebra. Hope this helps, and have a nice evening or day.